Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is May 3rd, 2025, and I'm over here at a local gas station, Royal Farms, and we're just getting a little bit of fuel for my friend Sherrod's boat. Sherrod and my friend Garcia, we're going to go down on the bay and have a little bit of fishing experience today. So let's take a look at the boat. He's got a big Yamaha 4-stroke motor on here. I have no idea what it is. A nice Century bay style boat, and we're going to go ahead and head down to the bay. Now we all live very close to each other, and we're probably half hour to 45 minutes away from the bay. So what Sherrod's got, he's got you know, this nice boat. He's got his truck to pull it with, diesel truck, and we're going to have a lot of fun out there on the water today doing a little bit of fishing. All right, so let's have a go. Later. All right, everybody, well, we've cast off here, and Cap Sherrod here has got us smoothly pulling out of the boat ramp. Oh wow, look at all this. Alright, so what we're looking at over here is downtown. Alright, so for those of you that might not know, these are what they call channel markers here. So you have port and starboard indicators. So red for port, green for starboard. So the reason they're here is because there's a channel here. So with boats that have deeper draw or draft, you want to be able to stay inside the channel so you don't bench up, get caught up on the shore. All right, well, Cap's got us going really well, and what we're going to do is get to a spot where he knows the fishing's pretty good, so we'll pick it back up from there.
2 very boring minutes later.
All right, so heading out, we're heading out towards the port of Baltimore over here. It's one of the bigger ports in the U.S. We also have, it looks like, I'm not even sure what kind of ship that is. If I can find out, I'll put it in the description right here. But you have the incinerator plant here. You got Baltimore downtown. It's just on the other side over there. Well, we've been puttering out for about the last 2 or 3 minutes, and we're on the bay, and now we're going to get to see one of the main attractions in Baltimore. We call it the Key Bridge. It's right in front of us here, and let's have a look at the Key Bridge. Oh, wait a minute, that's right. We had a little incident with the Key Bridge some time ago. So you can see that you know, the middle spans are out, and they're gone. So I think the reconstruction is, you know, going to take some time. I'll make a note about that in the description here, and hopefully they'll build it back better and stronger.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, Garcia, just working off of spot one. We didn't really have too much good luck here.
No good luck. No luck.
No luck at all.
No luck at all.
Not even a bite.
Not even a bite.
All right, well, we'll move along here. Let's see what Captain Sherrod's doing here with the fish finder working. Oh yeah, there was a big boy there.
Guys, with the anchor down.
Oh yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, first fish of the day here, guys. All right, you see a keeper?
Yo, yeah.
All right, there you go. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna take you home for dinner tonight, huh?
There you go.
Your wife eat fish, yo?
No, we don't take fish.
You don't eat- oh.
All yours.
Okay. All right.
All right. You need help with the live well or something?
Yeah, take
Yeah,
this
hold
off.
Got it. Yeah.
Live wells. I got 3 of these live wells, but other ones up by Garcia.
All right, guys. I'm charging $5 an hour for like lessons. Okay. All right. I don't mean to rub it in. Uh-oh, you got one?
You got a quarter.
Oh, it's probably when I pull him in.
Eventually.
Eleven minutes later.
It's a trailer. I got again now.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Looks fishy to me. All right, Sherrod, that was a good day out there, man. I mean, other than
Yes, it was.
other than just catching one fish,
Any
right?
day you go in the water and away from the wives is a good day.
You got it, man.
Love my wife, but I love the water.
Well, all right, that was a fun day out in the water. We didn't catch much fish, but we were only out for a couple hours. Wind kicked up a little bit, but hey, still a good day. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Epilogue.